Hey everyone, welcome back to the Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new. Today is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and I'm actually getting a little bit later start than I usually do. My youngest daughter and I had dentist appointments. We both had to get fillings, and she actually had to get a tooth pulled, so she's at home today. That just kind of threw the whole day a little bit off, but I wanted to get something tiny done today. I think I'm going to work on my stairway because it has been a little bit neglected over the past couple of weeks. So let's get started. The stairway of my home is also the entrance to my home, so I'm going to be working on the foyer entrance here too and get the rug vacuumed. You'll notice that in just a little bit. I am using my Tinco cordless vacuum once again. This has been such a lifesaver. I look back before I got this little vacuum, and I mean, I can't even believe how neglected my stairway was before. I just wouldn't do it because for whatever reason, getting out the attachments to the vacuum cleaner and all that jazz just seemed like too much work. So today, since like I said, I'm getting a little bit later of a start than I normally would, I just still wanted to get a little tiny tidy done on this Tuesday with you and for you, so that I can offer a little bit of motivation even if you don't have as much time as you would other days. The irony of this task being a tiny tidy when it wasn't even something that was on my radar very often before when I didn't have this vacuum is a little bit ridiculous and kind of funny too. Anyway, thank you so much for being here and watching. Thanks especially to Sunday Dawn. Her channel is The Helpful Home, which is linked in my description box. Sunday is the mastermind behind Tiny Tidies, and she brings us together each week in a Tiny Tidy playlist, which is an open collaboration. So if you have a YouTube channel and would like to participate some Tuesday, then you can leave a comment below for me, or you can get a hold of Sunday by commenting on her video, which is in the playlist in the description box. And that is also where you will find all of the amazing content creators and see just what they are tiny tidying on this Tuesday as well. Alright guys, well, hopefully, like I said before, this offered you a little bit of inspiration to get something, anything tiny tidied today. Thank you so much for staying to the end. If you're still here, drop me a heart emoji of some kind, your favorite one, in the comments below in honor of Valentine's Day. Give me a thumbs up before you leave. It helps out my channel a lot. I so appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.